Yes, actually elements are named by the scientists, those who have discovered them. Generally जो names आप पढ़ते हो बेटा, they are assigned to them by those who discovered them, or by the names of the sometime laboratories, or by the uh, some characteristic property due to which the name is assigned to the particular element. Okay, and after the discovery of 100 elements, actually the higher elements whose atomic number starts from 100 to above, these elements are rare elements. Actually they are present in very less amount, so their discoveries जो है वो थोड़ा controversies में रहती है कि कुछ जैसे 104th element जो है it's given name as Rutherfordium. ठीक है, इसका नेम अमेरिकन्स ने रदरफोर्डियम रखा, और जो रशियन साइंटिस्ट थे उन्होंने भी क्लेम किया कि हमने भी इसको डिस्कवर किया, तो दे गेव इट नेम एज कुर्चटोवियम. तो इन दोनों नेम्स में अब कंफ्यूजन था आईयूपीएससी के लिए भी कि हम कौन सा इस नेम को ऑफिशियल रखें. तो जब तक आईयूपीएससी ये डिसीजन देता है कि विच नेम इज गिवन एज अ ऑफिशियल नेम टू दैट पर्टिकुलर एलिमेंट, तब तक के लिए उस कंफ्यूजन को, मतलब कंफ्यूजन ना रहे किसी को भी जो स्टडी कर रहा है उस पर्टिकुलर एलिमेंट को. तो दीज नेम्स, दीज एलिमेंट्स आर गिवन नेम बाय दीज सर्टेन रूल्स. तो जब तक वो ऑफिशियल नेम यूज में नहीं आता, आईयूपीएसी उसको रेकमेंड नहीं करता, तब तक यही वाले नेम्स आपको कई जगह देखो पीरियोडिक टेबल में अभी भी यू यू एच यू यू एन करके कुछ नेम्स होंगे. तो दीज आर एक्चुअली नेम्स विच आर गिवन बाय दीज रूल्स. ठीक है, whenever the official name will be there, so that name will be introduced in periodic table. So let us discuss now the names for atomic numbers having more than 100 atomic number जो elements का है, for those how names are given. So for that you need to write these actually word roots type, you can say. Roots are given for digits. For example, if the digit is 0, the root given is, for 1 it is un, for 2 it is by, for 3 try, 4 quad, for 5 pen, for 6 x, for 7 sep, 8 it is opt, and for 9 n, e double n. These roots are given for these digits because the number will be 3 digit. Now obviously more than 100 है तो it will be having 3 digits. Per digit this root is to be used, और तीनों digits की root को आपने add up करते जाना है, और उसके बाद IUM एक suffix लगा देते हैं to give the name of the element. And नेम के साथ साथ हमें सिंबल भी तो असाइन करना है, बिकॉज सिंबल्स आर टेकन फ्रॉम द नेम इटसेल्फ. अब पूरा नेम तो हम नहीं लिखते ना पीरियोडिक टेबल में, इट इज ऑलवेज रिप्रेजेंटेड विद द हेल्प ऑफ सिंबल. तो हाउ टू असाइन सिंबल, तो वो अपने हर एक डिजिट का एक सिंबल भी है जिससे वो डिजिट स्टार्ट हुई है. जो वर्ड रूट जो है स्टार्ट जिस डिजिट से हो रहा है, दैट डिजिट इज गिवन एज द सिंबल. फॉर देन इट इज n, फॉर अन इट इज u, फॉर बाय इट इज b, देन t, then Q, P, H, S, O, E. So there are all these 10 digits 0 to 9, and these are the roots which are used to give name to these elements, and these are the symbols which are to be written, and rules are to be followed exactly that we follow while writing the symbol of any element. First letter is capital, remaining letters will be in small case, lower case. ठीक है? For example, now we need to write the name of atomic numbers 101. The element having atomic number 101. The name will be, first digit is 1. 1 के लिए हम क्या यूज करेंगे? U. And second digit is 0. For 0 it is nil. And for third digit again 1, UN, un, plus IUM is to be added. So the complete name will be un, nil, anium. Un, nil, anium is the name of this compound, this element, and symbol will be, symbol कैसे बनाएंगे? We need to write all those initials, the roots which we have used. So it will be U, N, U. And always remember, first initial is to be written in capital letter. Remaining will be in small case. So this will be the name of, you can say, element having atomic number 101. But otherwise, इसका official name है हमारे पास, and that is Mendelevium. ठीक है? Mendelevium is the official name of this element, but if it is asked in exam to give the name according to the IUPAC rules, then it will be Annil Anyam. Now 102, what it will be? Annil Barium. अब बेटा एक चीज याद रखना, बाय एंड ट्राई, जिसमें ऑलरेडी एंडिंग आई में हो रही है और आपको IUM ही आगे ऐड करना है, तो उसको डबल नहीं करना, एक सिंगल आई जाएगा. Annil Barium, UNB. This is the symbol of the element and this is the name of the element. Similarly, 103, Annil Trium. 104, Annil Quadium. 105, Annil Pentium. 106, Annil Hexium. 107, Annil Septium. 108, Annil Octium. 109, Annil Ennium. ENNIUM. Now suppose if 110 तक we have done, after 110 अभी नहीं किया, 110 कर लेते हैं. 110. What will be the first initial? Annilium. UUN. ठीक है? So this is Annilium is the IUPAC name given to the element having 110. Tungstedium is otherwise the IUPAC name for this. जो official name. Official names are otherwise now complete 118 तक हो गए हैं, but still periodic table have some missing because the book publication is of older. That is why. And after that 117, suppose you need to write name. What it will be? Unaccepted. Symbol US. Okay. Any other doubt? It's quite simple thing, and generally 1 mark question may be there from this topic. इससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं आएगा आपको, but you need to learn these 10 digits, word roots and their symbols. Okay? हाँ जी, Rutherfordium or Purchtovium, because of the two names. Earlier Americans give it name as Rutherfordium, later on Russians give it name Purchtovium. So for this confusion, IUPAC has given this rule. But when IUPAC recommends some official name, जब उस official name को publish कर देते हैं, then it is represented by that name itself. फिर ये names नहीं लिखते हम, ये name तब तक use होते हैं जब तक IUPAC official name नहीं करता उसका recommend. Whenever an official name is there, then they will be introduced in periodic table with that name. Until and unless official names are not given by IUPAC, की अभी controversies चल रही हैं कि कुछ country या कोई scientist कह रहा है ये name रखना है, कोई कह रहा है, क्योंकि discoveries आपको मैंने बताया rare earth elements है, they are present in very less amount in earth. तो whenever they are discovered, तो उनकी discoveries भी controversial होती है. For that reason, this naming system is given by IUPAC. Any doubt, students? Let me know if you have any doubt.
No, ma'am.
Thank you. So next we'll discuss about periodicity in elements. Periodicity, this term means repetition of properties of elements in modern periodic table. Means when we move from left to right in modern periodic table or from top to bottom. Means अगर हम एक period में gradation check मतलब study करें properties और we are studying properties in a group, then we find a regular gradation of properties. Means either they will change, मतलब एक आपको pattern मिलेगा, either they will be increasing continuously or decreasing, or sometimes they can remain same also. So this gradation of properties, or you can say this change in property, occurs at a specific interval in modern periodic table, and that specific interval after which the properties of elements are repeated, those numbers are called magic numbers. और वो numbers कौन से हैं? Can anyone tell? 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32. After these specific numbers, when we discuss properties of elements, then we find a repetition of properties, recurrence of properties. So this recurrence of properties of elements in modern periodic table is known as periodicity. And what is the cause of periodicity? Why properties are repeated in modern periodic table? Who can tell? Because we know that the main basic concept behind framing this modern periodic table is electronic configuration. Because the position of elements in periodic table is based on electronic configuration of elements, as we know that in groups, all the elements which are placed in a particular group, they have similar outer shell configuration. Because हमने जो group wise पढ़ा है, इनको blocks में पढ़ा है, S block, P block, D block, तो they have last shell entering in the same kind of subshell. So accordingly, they have similar electronic configuration in groups. While moving in a period, each element, or you can say electrons, are filling in the same shell. Okay, तो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन में एक ग्रेडेशन चल रहा है कि आपको एक एक इलेक्ट्रॉन ऐड करवाना इन द एंटायर मेन शेल. तो इन दिस वे देयर इज अ सिमिलरिटी इन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन. आउटर शेल की जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन होती है वो इस पर्टिकुलर इंटरवल पर सेम हो जाती है एलिमेंट्स में. एंड इफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन विल बी सिमिलर, obviously the chemical and physical properties of the elements will be very much similar to each other. So this is the cause of periodicity, that elements show a kind of you can say similarity due to similar outer shell configuration, and this is called periodicity in elements. ठीक है. अब periodicity हम generally जिन properties में देखेंगे ये gradation किस तरह से होता है, mostly the physical properties and these properties actually which depend on electronic configuration of the elements, they are also called periodic properties.